Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this session, we are going to talk about what is cloud computing and why it is so important for data science. So let's get started. Let's say you want to play a high-end video game on your computer at home. But your computer does not allow you to play comfortably because of poor configuration. You also have a few pictures that you want to edit using a high-end photo editor. But you don't have a budget to buy it for yourself. So what will you do? Well, your friend John comes to help you. John has a computer with great processing power, and a high-end photo editor also. John further allows you to access his powerful computer over the internet. That means you can access John's machine right from your machine over the internet. This solves your problem, and in return, John wants just a few bucks from you. Doesn't it sound great? That's the concept of cloud computing. So cloud is a very sophisticated computing system that fulfills all your wish lists in a very cost-effective manner. It can provide you with high-end computation power. It can help you store documents in a secured place with multiple backups. It helps you with pre-installed software, and so on. Some services are free, while some are not. Popular examples of cloud computing are your email, Dropbox, Google Photo, OneDrive, and so on. By the way, why is it called cloud? The term cloud means a very flexible atmospheric structure, made of water vapor. It expands and shrinks, hence very fluid and flexible in structure. And it sheds water to all. Likewise, cloud computing is highly flexible, as it helps the users to scale up or scale down easily, and sheds benefits to all users, from a single point. Probably, that's why it is called cloud computing. So basically, cloud is a virtual single point of contact for all of your computation needs. It provides you with all your requirements on hardware, software, database, security, storage, migration, management tools, messaging services, machine learning, analytical services, and whatnot. The advantage is that you do not need to worry about its maintenance and other challenges. You do not need to set up the IT infrastructure. Instead, you take rent of that at a fraction of cost. The most reputed cloud service providers are Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. AWS is the market leader as of now. Originally, AWS was developed to manage their online retailing, while Google Cloud Platform was used to manage YouTube and Google search engine. All of them provide three types of cloud services: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So what do they mean? Think of Gmail, Google Photo, Google Doc, Google Apps, and Dropbox. You use them a lot in your daily life, but do you need to install them on your machine? You simply log in to the website or app, connect your device, and start using them. This is software as a service, the simplest of cloud service. Recently, you see a lot of cloud-based software. Some software is free, while some come with a fee. And you just need to subscribe them, to use them from your device. Now, who builds the apps for you? The developers. So, if you are a developer, and want to build a new app for the customer users, platform as a service would be just right for you. Here you will get a development platform with all your needs, like programming language, operating systems, web services, and database. So you focus on building and hosting the app, while the service provider will manage the infrastructure, updates, security patches, and all general maintenance. This will give you a lot of mental peace. Examples are AWS Elastic Beanstalk and Google App Engine. AWS comes with databases like Redshift, DynamoDB, and elastic cache. You can use them, and quickly build apps. Next, the foundation of the development platform is IT infrastructure. Cloud provides the infrastructure service, also called infrastructure as a service. This comes with on-demand computing requirements, such as server, storage, and networking solutions, in a virtual environment, as needed. You bring your development platform, and start building apps on the infrastructure. It is a very cost-effective way to scale up, or scale down. An example is Amazon EC2, or Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. The billing happens on the hard drive capacity, CPU, memory and the server runtime. Within each service category, you have the option of public, private, and hybrid cloud solutions. In the public cloud, the infrastructure is shared by general users over the public internet. For example, think of Gmail. Though your account is protected with a password, still, 1.5 billion Gmail users in a month share the same infrastructure with all. It's like taking public transport to reach your office. In contrary, private cloud offers exclusive access to only a select user group or organization. Usually, banking and health systems or any other organizations who are very protective of their data choose private cloud. The resources are used privately over a private internet. It's like taking your own car to go to your office. Private cloud providers are HP, Dell EMC, and VMware. The hybrid cloud provides a mix of the private and public cloud. While the most confidential part of the business is hosted in a private cloud, the rest are hosted in the public cloud. It's like hiring a cab to go to your office. An organization has to consider all factors to choose the right cloud vendor and the solution. Next question is, why do we need cloud computing for data science? Let's assume you have a few petabytes of data on which you want to run a complex predictive model. If you start running the model on your computer, chances are that your machine will run out of memory soon. To process big data, we need a cluster of computers. So where do you get the cluster of computers? Can you think of buying them all? Would be very costly. To handle big data, you also need the right environment, like Hadoop with MapReduce, or Spark. Here comes cloud, to help a big way. Cloud not only provides the computation infrastructure with cluster of computers, but also the right environment, where you can perform all complex big data analysis very easily. Recently, cloud is also equipped with sophisticated machine learning, and deep learning algorithms and frameworks. These all surely help the users, running complex models on big data very easily, and within a reasonable amount of time, and budget. Data science with cloud computing is creating a new wave of cloud service. The trend is known as Data as a Service. So, hope this gives an overview of cloud computing, and basic cloud services like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. We also talked about public, private, and hybrid clouds. Finally, we also discussed how data science and cloud computing are linked together. In the next session, we'll talk about artificial intelligence and machine learning. Stay tuned and I will speak to you soon. Thank you.